Hi everybody, I'm doing a quick video here on the removal of a security tag from a pair of shoes. I ordered a pair of shoes from Famous Footwear online, and they came with one of the boots still had the security thing on it. It looks like a noise-making device. I'm going to put the camera down here, and then we'll take it from there. So, here I have a pair of Timberlands that I bought from Famous Footwear. As you can see, the security device is still on. It has a little light that was flashing, but it's no longer flashing. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I don't know if it's going to go off or not. It's like a little wire, has a little speaker. And like I said, the light was flashing, but it's not, doesn't seem to be flashing green anymore. I'm going to try cutting it off. We'll see if it's going to make any sound. I have a pair of scissors, a pair of snips if the scissors don't work, some tape to put over the speaker, and if all else fails, to shut it off, I got a hammer here. Oh, and I also have a thing of water. We're going to try dumping it in the water if it makes noise first. So let's see what happens here. We're going to just try the scissors. See how loud this thing is. Actually not loud at all. Scissors was able to do it. Based on how loud this is. You probably just put paint over it. Tape, I mean, over it. So, I'm just going to drop it in the water and see what happens. Well, it didn't silence it, but it muted it. So the last technique, I'm just going to sit it on here and go, nothing. Try again. Well, that silenced it, but it's still flashing. So now we're going to try to separate it. I actually cracked the case open, so we're going to see what's in this bad boy. I'm at work, by the way. I'm on my lunch, and I needed these boots, so we're going to see what this has in it, and if I'm going to die, if I don't stab myself first, because I'm in a rush. Well, it did something. Stop flashing. Looks like a battery, a speaker. I cut one of the wires accidentally. Oh well. No harm, no foul. What a waste of a battery. There's actually a battery in there. All right, well. Now he says he's getting strength from Savannah's 4-year-old son because he doesn't want to break down in front of that toddler. I hate to see that in because everybody's mom is going to be Looks like they soldered the battery on. So it looks like they soldered the battery on. I'm just going to pop it off, and maybe I can use the battery somewhere on something else in the future. It is a lithium battery. It's a CR2032. Thank you very much, Famous Footwear. Not only did you give me my boots, but you also gave me a battery that I'll be able to use someplace else. And as we all know, these specialty little batteries, watch batteries, whatever you want to call them, are not the cheapest thing in the world. That concludes my video today. So, it's as simple as cut it with a pair of scissors, smack it with a hammer a few times. I didn't hit it that hard because I didn't want to hurt the floor in here. But smack it with the hammer a few times and you're done. In fact, it's not even that loud. You could probably do it in the store. Have a great day.